My top tip for your CV is to tailor it for the job that you're going for. So make sure that you read the job description and the person spec, and make sure that all the things that the company are looking for are highlighted in your CV. So that might mean that you have to have more than one CV depending on which job you're going for, but you really need to be making sure that the skills and the qualities that the company are looking for are highlighted in your CV.
Top tips for your CV. So firstly, write a great covering letter. Your covering letter is an opportunity to introduce why you're so interested and excited about the role and the company that you're applying for. Also gives you an opportunity to say why your skills match that role so well. With your CV, make sure it matches your LinkedIn profile. It's really important in the digital age that you're not caught out by having different job titles or dates. And most importantly, make sure that on your CV you are results and achievement focused. You don't talk just about your responsibilities, but about actually what you did to make that company that you're in and that role that you're in great.
Hi, Johnny Fever, Contracts Manager, Story Contracting. To give you 3 top tips on your CV would be, make sure that you're honest. Remember that in an interview stage you might have to provide some further detail or evidence to what you put in there. Make sure you keep the purpose there and it's short and sweet. Don't make the reader dig too far to look for the characteristics or the skills that they're looking for in the candidate. And finally, I would use somebody to proofread your CV. Obviously you don't want any of those basic errors to make it through to the reader. Thank you.
Keep your CV short and to the point. You could consider using bullet points to make certain information quicker and easier to find. You should also consider tailoring your CV to each individual application to make sure it's not overly generic. Make sure you tell the truth in your CV because it's very easy to get caught out. And include a personal statement which shows off a bit of your personality and why you're interested in the job.
Your CV profile is the first thing that we read. It needs to be intriguing and different, and if you can, tailor it to the job role you're applying for. Using the standard line, "I can work as part of a team or on my own," does not make you stand out from the rest.
It can be so tempting to use the same CV for every job you apply for. It's important to review it. Take time to look it over, make sure it's relevant. Keep the detail to a minimum. It's really important to keep the reviewer engaged. Good luck.
Hello, it's Dan Jones from Story Contracting. My top tip for your CV is to make it stand out from the pile by really trying to show your personality. Also, make it clear that you've demonstrated some knowledge on what the company you're applying to is all about, and try and show how you're compatible with their values and what excites you about working there.